Hello dear. Take side please. Mickey Mouse. Hey, I saw Batman. Hello dear. I'm very hungry. Hey, hello friend, brother. Yes, dear Batman, I am very happy to see you. Hey, dear buddy, I am very hungry. Give me you all the fruit and the french fries and a burger also. Burger? There is no burger on my shop. Okay, dear, but I am very hungry. No, no, you gave me a pizza, fresh pizza. Okay, I gave you a fresh pizza. Hello, little baby. Hello, little Barbie doll. How are you? Hey, Batman uncle. I'm very happy to see you. Thank you. Hey, beautiful friend. I want to eat burger and all the ice cream. Okay, Batman. You eat it and them all. Thank you. Thank you all the buddies. I'm ready to fly. Bye bye. Okay. Hey, twin. I purchase ice cream. Okay, you purchase. Hey, it's very tasty. Hey, it's very tasty. Hey, Triangle, I purchased a burger and fresh juice. No. Okay, you gave it. I gave it. I also want the ice cream. Okay, I gave you. Hey, let's play. Okay, we play with ice cream. You gave me your ice cream and I gave you my ice cream. Okay. Hey, little Mickey Mouse, your ice cream is very tasty. Thank you. Now I eat burger. Hello, dear kids. Hey, dear, what are you thinking? Hey, dear, I'm thinking we go to crockery shop for purchase some crockery. Okay, go. We eat very much. Now we want to walk and purchase some many more things. Okay, go walk. Hey, little Barbie doll, you are the owner of the crockery shop. Yes, uncle. I am the owner of the crockery shop. What do you want to purchase? I purchase some crockery, a tea set. It is a tea set. Yes, you gave it to us. How many price in it? Uncle, if I choose you all the things you need, then I gave you a bill. Okay, dear. Hey, I purchased spoon. Very beautiful spoon I purchased. Okay. Now I purchased a fry pan. I purchased fry pan. Okay. And a Benton crockery set. Very big a glass and a bowl and a plate. Okay, uncle. You purchase all these things. Hey dear. Now I purchase a knife. Hey, why you purchase knife? You don't be afraid. I purchased the knife for cutting fruit. Okay, I am scared for that. Why you purchase knife? No, dear. I purchased knife for cutting fruit. Okay, you purchase. It is a knife, very beautiful knife. I purchase. Okay, you purchase. Okay, little Barbie doll. How much money we gave you all this that crockery? Uncle, the crockery bill is $2. Okay, I will pay it. Thank you, uncle.